First, the top news headlines. Manipur confirms second COVID-19 positive case. "42 coronavirus hotspots identified in India," says government. And 6-week-old dies as United States coronavirus death toll crosses 5,000. And welcome to Times of 11 samples of people from Manipur who took part in religious congregation held at Delhi's Nizamuddin in mid-March. One has been tested positive for COVID-19 and 8 have been tested negative. With this, Manipur has so far reported 2 COVID-19 cases. All the 11 samples were tested at Jennings and RIMS yesterday. The male patient, about 65 years of age, from Lilong was tested positive for COVID-19 late last night and is currently undergoing treatment in RIMS Hospital, Imphal. Containment measures and surveillance activities have been taken up promptly in the patient's locality, officials said today. Meanwhile, COVID-19 positive cases in Assam have jumped to 16 today. There are also reports that Arunachal Pradesh has reported its first coronavirus positive case. Meanwhile, Arunachal Pradesh recorded its first COVID-19 positive case today as per reports. A resident of Tezu in Lohit district of the state has tested positive for the COVID-19. According to sources, he attended the Tablighi Jamaat at Nizamuddin in Delhi on March 16 and has been in quarantine since March 24th. Meanwhile, as precautionary measures, the district administration has quarantined all those who took part in the Tablighi Jamaat congregation in March last. On the other hand, 7 others of the state have now been sent for quarantine. Their samples have been collected for testing. They had travelled together to Delhi in December from Tinsukia in Assam and returned to Namsai, Lohit and Itanagar between March 19 and 20, informed sources. According to the travel history of those who have been identified, they did not take part in the religious event of Tablighi Jamaat in Delhi as they were in Uttar Pradesh. As India reported 1,965 cases with the number of deaths surging to 50, the government identified 20 existing hotspots and 22 probable ones to arrest the spread of the infection as per media reports. The number of active COVID-19 cases stands at 1,764, of which 150 people were either cured or discharged and 1 migrated to another country. As per the ministry's updated data, 9 fresh deaths were reported. 4 from Maharashtra, 3 from Madhya Pradesh and 1 each from Andhra Pradesh and Punjab. 1 death each was reported in Gujarat and Chandigarh due to COVID-19 today, even as Assam and Telangana were among several states that reported a surge in the number of coronavirus cases linked to Nizamuddin's Tablighi Jamaat event. The gathering has led to about 150 new cases in the country, taking India's tally to 1,834 cases, including 41 deaths. Ministry of Health and Family Welfare yesterday said 437 new cases have been reported in the last 24 hours, which is the biggest spike till date. However, earlier in the day, the ministry said this spike does not represent a national trend and was caused primarily due to travel by those who had attended the congregation in Delhi's Nizamuddin. Death toll in the United States from the coronavirus pandemic has topped 5,000, with a 6-week-old baby becoming one of the youngest known victims. As per media reports, around 5,116 people have died in the United States. Among the latest U.S. fatalities is the 6-week-old baby who was taken to a Connecticut hospital late last week. Testing confirmed last night that the newborn was COVID-19 positive. The US death toll is lower than those of Italy and Spain, but above the 3,316 recorded in China, where the pandemic first emerged in December. According to media reports, the US leads the world in the number of cases of the new coronavirus with 2,15,417. President Donald Trump, who had earlier downplayed the pandemic's effects, said that the US is going to have a couple of weeks, starting pretty much now, but especially a few days from now, that are going to be horrific. Confirmed coronavirus infections around the world approach 1 million today as the pandemic spreads at a near exponential rate. Half the planet is under some form of lockdown as governments struggle to tamp down the virus. In New York, the statewide death toll from the coronavirus doubled in 72 hours to more than 1,900, with bodies loaded onto refrigerated morgue trucks by gurney and forklift outside overrun hospitals. More than 80,000 people have volunteered as medical reinforcement in New York, including recent retirees and healthcare professionals taking a break from their regular jobs. Well, it's time now for a short commercial break. Do stay tuned.
Khanghanjaba Lamjingba Hospital and Medical Research Institute Private Limited na Hogzik Oiriba Khudongchadba kaya sigi yenglaga miyamgi damag hospital asigi maternity ward pung kunmari hangduna miyamgi thawal tawjaragani adumakpu hospital asigi atopa department singdi service lepchagani hospital asida laktingai mamangda makhada pizariba contact number asida hanana appointment lobiu amadi patient ka miyoi amadagi hena loina biraktanaba khanghanjari Jariba Lamjingba Hospital and Medical Research Institute Private Limited, Rim Southgate, Kombinai Kaitel, contact number 8258967890.
Hidak oina amadi thau oina animak sizinaba yaraba sangbrai thau fangbiragani. Sangbrai pambidagi sungba organic oiraba amadi side effect leitraba thau asina. Hiram kayada kanaba piri. Nungsang, laikoi, haksang chikpa, laihau, apomba, puri, samkenba, tonsil na chingba kaya laying bada kanaba piri. Thau si thakpadi yade. Akupa moral gidama contact tobiyo Sangbrai Thau Kyam Gai Maning Laikai, contact number 9366949811.
Welcome back after the break. Manipur MP Dr. R.K. Ranjan today distributed food items, face masks, hand sanitizers and hand gloves to around 287 families of Champu Kangpok village located at the floating island of Loktak Lake under Moirang subdivision in Thanga constituency. It may be mentioned that this village has around 800 residents. Vice President All Loktak Lake Area Fishermen Union Manipur Alafum Ningthausam Thasana Devi and Secretary Oinam Rajan Singh were also present at the event. MP Dr. R.K. Ranjan said the essential items bought from his own pocket money were given to the residents of Champu Kangpok today to help them during the lockdown. Alafung Vice President and Thasana Devi thanked the MP on behalf of the fish farmers for the assistance during such hard times. President of Manipur Unit of Shiv Sena, M. Tombi has urged the people of the state to join hands together, cutting across ethnic lines in the fight against the deadly coronavirus. He was briefing media at Shiv Sena office at Babupara, Imphal, where several leaders of Manipur People's Party MPP were present. Tombi underlined on the need of collective effort to tackle the prevailing situation. He appealed to the general public not to hide if they show any of the symptoms of COVID-19 and said such people should immediately report at the nearest hospitals.
Chief Senagi Maki, the Apilam Taujaningi Madudi, Lady Train Sida, Kariguma Anaba, Ishada Lady, and Kangab D, Miam Sanga, Adom, Minamutamating, Banganam with the same Southern Ladiba, Saka, Asita Sangaga. Ana Rudu Panama Honasi, Losan Tamigano, Ladiba, a quick train Sida, a quick Doladuli, a Zad Bijat, Aduka Pasha Pibina Kumba, Kanamata Latre, which like him some manner, Masida, a quick Punsilaga, Sarkagi Matin Pangsi, Gamena Matunga Tawia, the Tamu Singasi, Vogi Manunda, Shiv Shanana Pangra Lai, High Basigi, Virus Zoo, Mangan Nabuhuna, Shiv Shanana, number Tata, government, Simating Pangan Hamashe. The
Ukhrul Autonomous District Council ADC has started systematic and dedicated precautionary measures to fight coronavirus pandemic. There is need for coordination for a united fight to contain this virus, said Dr. Yaronsho Ngalung, chairman of Ukrul ADC. Dr. Ngalung told Tom TV that COVID-19 is exploding at an alarming stage and hence every person is required to stay at home. He said the lockdown will definitely reduce the chain. The ADC has also decided to donate 1 month's salary as a first step to help prevent community transmission of the virus. ADC chairman Dr. Ngalung said. He also distributed masks, hand sanitizers and surgical gloves.
So we are also willing to distribute drinking water for the public, and in the days to come we will be able to help the public by distributing various form of help like assistance like face masks, hand gloves and also hand sanitizers to the public also in the days to come. So we are also appealing the government of Manipur to give us certain funding in our initiative so that our hands will be strengthened, and then we do not have enough of animals feeds. We do not have agriculture products. We do not have chicken feeds even in the district. So we would like to request the government of Manipur as well as the government of India to also provide us certain amount of rice to the council so that we will also be able to distribute certain rice to every villages whom we represent.
One Ilangbam Ongbi Mini and her husband Ilangbam Kumar donated ₹1 lakh to Manipur Chief Minister's COVID-19 relief fund today. Many have been continuously donating money to the CM's COVID-19 relief fund to help fight the deadly virus in the state. All localities in Sagolban constituency have been sanitized under the aegis of Moirangthem Momo Singh, son of former Sagolban MLA late Moirangthem Kumar. Momo, through a release, also said that he is also planning to provide safe drinking water to the people of Sagolban. The Protection Committee on Right to Public Distribution System Langthabal constituency today claimed that the residents of Langthabal home constituency of Minister Karam Siam are yet to get government allocated rice for the month of March till then. In a press release, the committee mentioned that free rice is being distributed to public in view of the coronavirus outbreak. It appealed to the Chief Minister of Manipur and Biren to look into the matter at the earliest. All-round development organization Ardo distributed essential goods to 300 households under Kairao Makting Gram Panchayat under the supervision of Ardo founder M.I. Khan. Meanwhile, members of Social and Athletic Youth Adventure Club Saya Club Laifrakpam also distributed essential commodities to 17 poor families of Laifrakpam. Under the supervision of Huidrom Bikram, a social worker, daily essential commodities were distributed to residents of Yai School constituency at Wangkai Thangzamlikai and Mitemeek. Bikram is likely to distribute essential items to residents of other locations of Yai School constituency. Jiribam Municipal Council JMC Chairperson S. Santi Devi today said that many people in Jiribam district have not received free rice supply despite the Chief Minister's announcement. She also expressed unhappiness over the Jiribam MLA's alleged partiality in distributing rice to Jiribam residents and urged the government to look into the matter. Assam Rifles seized a large quantity of Dettol items and medicines near More Integrated Checkpost along Indo-Myanmar border last night. Some people were trying to smuggle the items to Myanmar, a police report said today. The smugglers fled this site as the security persons were approaching them. The seized items were handed to More police station this afternoon. Jiribam Additional Deputy Commissioner ADC S. Indrajit Singh said that the district administration has been maintaining law and order in the district and monitoring people venturing out during the nationwide lockdown against COVID-19. Indrajit also confirmed that 35 people in the district are now under quarantine and added that there is no COVID-19 positive case in the district as of now. Indrajit also informed that the misunderstanding between Assam police and drivers carrying essential commodities from Silchar has been resolved after a letter was sent to the Chief Secretary and talked with Assam Police DCP. Indrajit also urged people to stay at home during the lockdown.
virus asiga mari leinana akhoi district administration side tagi akhona lokat jabati akhoi PICT department adagi CMO side akhoi sar SP ki lusing makhada umaso akhoi district DC ki staff sing loinana akhona sanitization program kaya sathari tonga mafam singda masiga loinana akhoi project quarantine place mafam hairaga te akhoi Jiribam district quarantine facilities mafam mari identify tawraga leire age isolation facilities leiba mafam na manga leire aduga ngasi bokta akhoi quarantine place ta leiba mi masing asi akhoi kunthra sure ngasi manga amaga nongna admit tawre.
Break. Stay tuned.
Sangai Services Private Limited Yellow Mida Thabak Pirasi Thabak ta Chilhau Thiroisi Adom na mayuk nariba awaba sing adu kokhan nabagi damak leijare Sangai Services Private Limited Yum gi mi yamna leijade haibagi awaba lebiganu Yum gi darkar oiba thabak thoram sing tawbina ba sinmi nekpage khudong chaba phangbigani Manipur da ahan bo oina yamna hongna amadi yamna laina phone call amakhakna darkar oiba sinmi nekpa yabagi khudong chaba pijariba Sangai Services Private Limited ne pung kharagi amadi nongmagi waibagi khudong chabasu pijariba service singdi any type of construction driver and home tutor available housekeeping and house cleaning pest control catering service electrician carpenter plumber electronic repairing haibadi fridge AC water purifier asina chingbasing semjari amadi any type of labors available Akupamorol gidama contact tobiyu Sangai Services Private Limited Uripok Torang Mamlekai Manipur 795001 Aikogi contact number 7005071707 natraga 7005112624 Aikogi email ID sangaiservices@gmail.com.
Welcome back. With an aim to assist Thoubal District Administration in combating the coronavirus pandemic, Wangzing Tiantha MLA Paunam Brozen donated Rs 1 lakh which was handed over to Thoubal District Sub-Divisional Officer M. Ingocha during a simple function at the MLA's Wangzing residence yesterday. MLA Brozen lauded all doctors, nurses and paramedical staff in Thoubal District for their work to contain spread of COVID-19 in the state.
Siguro wari ba koli ba sa wara pa mayam lay badagi ay makita gi su district administration da ay ang mamateng lupa la am katang pangi honorable CM gita su ay lupa la am katang pangaga sida su natana darkar oi ba puna mak pagi mathang su dum sinaroi ba natia dum pang mangam hona je pang na ba dum hona jari adanu darkar lay ba puna mo koi mayam puna mo cooperation pe bina.
One Oinam Ongbi Ashalata Devi and her family distributed essential goods to the residents of Oinam Maninglekai Ward number 4 amid COVID-19 lockdown. Essential goods including vegetables were distributed to households of the ward, including 15 rented houses.
Ngasi aina sinjari bisi COVID-19 na lakpase laina laichat sidi kitang ngapthokpa ngamgada khanjabadamakta aina Oinam Ward number 4 sigi oina
Volunteers of Social Education and Cultural Development Organization, SECDO, and Social Service and Welfare Association, SSAWA of Thoubal Khetri sanitized the surroundings of the two local clubs with disinfectants. Gamare Club Chanam Sandrog under Kairao constituency distributed safe drinking water to residents of Sandrog with assistance from local MLA and AKN enterprises during the lockdown and curfew. Edible items were distributed to residents of Luwang Sangbam in Imphal East today. The initiative was taken under Imphal East Adaksha P. Bimola to help ease the hardship of the residents during the lockdown and curfew.
Kogi Chief Minister gi miyang wakada kogi phangom thokpa cheng sing che paisa lawna lemna yen khre huji card paida ba kangbu so ming thagat na dana koina sem gi miyang wakada yen bi gane haiba gi takpi rai maduna masida aikoina yen jari basi masimak na kogi jila parshad ki adaksha gi miyang wakada cheng ho hawai chengwai thau khina nuga cheng jing dana kogi Chief Minister gi miyang wakada yen thokchabani.
Manipur People's Party MPP has expressed displeasure over some persons using the party's name and expressed resentment over the state government's plan for building a 200-bedded quarantine center at Langthabal, Phumlo Lokol. This was informed in a press release. MPP, however, said the party supports Manipur Chief Minister's efforts in fighting the COVID-19. Tom TV has started a new program, Your Voice, Adomgi Khonjel. Please express your grievances and issues through our channel. Send audio or video to our WhatsApp number 940-2491-494 or 841-5875251 or 841-3956-065 or 961-2928-757 or 811-90-80500 along with a copy of your Aadhaar card. Please mention your name and address properly. Be a citizen journalist to bring a change in the state. Get ready. Be the first citizen journalist.
Truck driver singidi section thorang lokhapi dabra lokhapi dragadi makoi gisu section thorang lokhacha haningi moi shuma palamda chatpa oibana karigumba covid-19 se narakpa tardi moina pot puthok pusin toraga chabanina prajar akoshu wagani agi nupanda su truck driver ne truck driver khuding ma section thorang lokhacha haningi manipuri CM da wakachari
ngasi aikhoi mioibagi punsida covid-19 na achoba lalama horleba asida aikhoi isa na cheksindraba thoksadraba matam amagi sahi taret khundarpadu ohengumse amaromda madudi pangan thaunana lan thengna kibane adubo masigi covid-19 gi lan asidi pangan thaunana changdaba lampham amane sumnatagi cheksinna punna amata oina chaman khaminaba natana
Nizamuddin Markas gi matangda social media gi sharuk amma oiriba koina yam toina sizinariba Facebook ta communalism oiba yamna communal oiba post kaya amadi comment kaya thagalakpasi yamna nungaijade asina maram oiraga community singi marakta crime thoknaba sinbiganu amadi koimasen nungsi chanana laisi aiba wafam sining singjari.
The Delhi police has been ordered to track mobile phones of people in home quarantine to find out if they step out or came in contact with others, Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal said yesterday, according to a media report. Kejriwal said the government had already handed over 25,000 phone numbers to the police to trace. The Chief Minister, who insisted that there had been no instance yet to indicate that coronavirus disease was in a community transmission stage in the national government, said the mobile phone tracing would establish quarantine violation but also identify their possible contacts. Delhi Police, in collaboration with Helping Hands and NECC, began distribution of relief essential commodities to stranded poor notice students and workers in private sectors in areas of Patel Nagar, Munirka, Safdarjung and Santiniketan yesterday. The distribution of ration to such people from the notice will continue today. 4 police distribution teams were dedicated for the distribution of essential items to all notice people in their places of stay. A total of 1,372 ration packets were distributed yesterday. The number of confirmed coronavirus cases worldwide is fast approaching the 1 million mark as per media reports. In the past 5 weeks, there has been a near exponential growth in the number of new cases and the number of deaths has more than doubled in the past week. The head of World Health Organization, Tedros Adhanom Ghebreyesus, told a virtual news conference at the organization's Geneva headquarters on Wednesday. In the next few days, we will reach 1 million confirmed cases and 50,000 deaths worldwide, he said. In India, 437 new COVID-19 cases were reported between March 31st and April 1st, taking the total number of coronavirus cases in the country to 1,834, including 1,649 active cases and 50 deaths, according to the Union Health Ministry. With 509 more deaths, France reported its highest daily number of deaths from COVID-19 epidemic. bringing the toll to 4,032, while in the United States, a 6-week-old baby died in what was believed to be the pandemic's youngest victim, according to news agency AFP. Global agencies have warned that parts of the world could face food shortages if authorities fail to navigate the coronavirus properly. Before we wind up, let's have a quick look at the top news headlines once again. Manipur confirms second COVID-19 positive case. "42 coronavirus hotspots identified in India," says government. And 6-week-old dies as United States coronavirus death toll crosses 5,000. Well, that's all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur.